know me well. I've seen you, little Stephen and Joanna around the back of my hotel. Oh yeah. Someone said she was asking after me, but I know you best as a black girl. I said, tell me your name, is this sweet? She said, my boy is Dagger. Oh yeah.